Welcome to a brand new video, and today we are going to learn about storm hydrographs. So this is a storm hydrograph. It looks complicated, right? It's actually not. First, let's explain what a storm hydrograph is. A storm hydrograph is a graph that represents floods. Over here you can see how much time it took from the rainfall till the maximum flood. This mainly shows river floods, but in other cases, it can also show other floods. However, let's break this down piece by piece. So, first we have this small bar graph. This is showing the rain, and this lag time is showing how much time is between the maximum rain and the maximum flood. Okay, so now let's continue. So this is shown in mm's and this is shown in cumex. Cumex is actually cubic meters per second. So it actually means that there are 3 meters per second in the maximum flood, which is huge. It would be like driving a car at about driving a car at 180 kilometers per hour. That speed you'll be going 1 meter per second, 3 meters per second, sorry. And also you can see that we have the rising limb and the falling limb. These limbs are just how much of the flood is rising and falling. Suppose when the flood is starting, it's rising, and the flood is falling, it's falling. That's simple. And also, you might see base flow and overland flow. Base flow is the flow of the regular river before there was any rainfall or any floods or anything. But overland flow is the flow after the flood. So this whole part is how much water was in the river after the flood, which is huge. And that is our video explaining how a storm hydrograph works. So first we have to find out where these storm hydrographs are used. These storm hydrographs are used to predict floods and are used by scientists to analyze them and learn about floods better. And that's all for our video. I'll see you guys next time. Bye!